Whoa!
What is this type of fish?
That one's like, hold on, let me bring in my... It's a little brim, but it's like...
It has purple and red.
Yeah. Look, show them. Look, you guys see the color on that? It's like pink.
And purple.
Show them.
These look nice. Look, can I?
Yeah, show them. Show them real quick. Show them your fish. Yeah, he's got a big mouth. We got the fire going on because of the mosquitoes. Here, throw him in there. Come on, throw him in there. He gone. Oh yeah? You guys, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. What's up, John? Thank you, Tom. That was a nice catch. Thank you, bro. We got the smoke over here because of the mosquitoes. It's okay, buddy. Leave it like that. It's smoking. That's good. That's what we want. You caught one? Let's go. That was a little creek chub. Show them.
I had the hook.
What happened?
Yeah, maybe.
What happened?
I got fish. But it seems like all the creek chubs have like a hole in them right here. You see?
Yeah, I think those are their nostrils, their nose. I don't know.
That's good, right?
Yep, all that smoke is good. Getting rid of those mosquitoes for us. What is up, you guys? We got 11 people watching, 4 likes. Let's go. We got 16 people watching. Let's go. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We're trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. We're just out here by the little creek. We're out here fishing. We got the little smoke screen set up for the mosquitoes. And we're just catching these fish. Say, what's up, YouTube? What is up? What's up, buddy? What's up, you guys? Got smoke in my eyes.
And it burns my eye and it hurts my eyes. Oh, is he the fish?
I saw that small fish.
Yep. Oh, how did the fire started?
I know, you saw that?
Oh, the fire started.
Yeah.
Even though we didn't.
What's up, buddy? Right? I know, that'd be pretty crazy, huh?
Yep, so we don't have to start the fire.
We got 11 people watching right now. What is up, you guys? Hope y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're trying to reach 2,000 subscribers.
There's symbols over there.
There's symbols.
No, I'm like saying like there's signs. They're like fish over there. Another fish over there.
No luck yet, you guys. No luck yet. All right, we're gonna put on a little plastic worm now. See if that's what they want.
Oh, dude, I almost got one.
I saw that. Caught one. Caught one. Let's go, you guys.
Finally, right?
Look what I caught him on. The fake worm.
What?
I caught one on a fake worm, you guys. You guys following local fire ordinance? Yes, sir, we are. We're far from the city. We're out here in the middle of nowhere. And we're just out here creek fishing.
Can I use the fake one?
Say what's up to YouTube. And we're just on the fake worm. Look at that.
Can I have one? Can I use them?
Use the tail bait, buddy.
Maybe you even got one even though that fish's mouth is too small.
I don't know. I think I have some more worms in my pocket. Look, check. Oh, fake worms. They're the plastic worms. Caught another one. No, never mind. Fossil art, fossil art. But they're liking these worms though. These fake worms.
The viewers keep falling.
We're just fishing with fake worms, you guys.
It keeps falling. The viewers.
What is this?
The view is a key small. No clue. Oh yeah.
Here, you take this one.
Okay.
Take that one. Jacob made Joseph a colorful robe. His brothers were jealous. They wanted nice robes too, and they wanted to be loved as much as Joseph was loved. Joseph had a dream. He told his family, "We were bundling grain from the field. Your bundles of grain bowed down to mine.